In this video, I'll be showing you how to block all ads from any website in just few easy steps. So this is where I usually watch my games, and you can see there's ads already. Normally this is what I would come across with, and even though I'm enjoying my TV, but there's those filthy ads on the side. So this is how you get rid of them. Go ahead and go to your settings, right? Go to your phone settings and then navigate to connections. Now go ahead and click on more connection settings. The option might be different in your phone, but it has to do with more settings or connection settings. Now go ahead and click private DNS and then enable the private DNS provider name, host name, and then add dns.edgard.com and click save when you're done, and that's about it. Now heading back to our website, now we have to refresh here just to see if it works, and then there you go, refreshed and the ads are completely gone. So in short, you go to your settings, go to more connections, then you go to private DNS, and then you type dns.edgard.com and then click save. Now here's another option you can use to find the DNS options. You can go ahead, go to your settings, and then search private DNS, or just search private, because for me it's taking a bit long to load. So just search private and you should see them, and then click on private DNS there, and it will take you just to private DNS, and you do the same process, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, leave a like, and I'll see you again on the next video. Cheers.